everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell and comment below section. In today's video guys, I have another unboxing today. Yeah, it's past few days I have a unboxing video, and so this time it's double unboxing from Herme. So there it is guys, I just received today. So by the way, for my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate. So I'm so blessed and thankful to everyone in here in YouTube family. Thank you guys so much. So without any further ado, let's get started and let's cut this plastic. I get the there it is, the white box. So let's open it. Oh, it's just like everywhere. So this is really comes with these big bags. Box. Probably my a receipt and return slip. So let's move this box. So this is a 2 item. So let's make a thumbnail first guys. So yeah, this is 2 items I ordered from them, from Herme. As you both know, the boxes it is. If you are a Herme lover, you know what it is. So let's start with this smaller items I always love, adore with their packaging. So there it is. So cute. I hope I really like the color, because sometimes it's different, the picture online than the person. If you see the in person, it's you don't like it. Same with my the first I have in Calvi. I love the on the online the color, but when I receive, I don't even like it anymore. It's different. So as you can see, it's a lot. Wow, that's bright color. I'm looking for a bright color Bastia. This is a Mysore goat skin leather. I do have a the other one, Epson, I think, leather. This one actually is quite thin compared to my other one. So the color is, let me check the color of this one guys, because I forgot. Let's see. So this is the Bastia chain spurs, Rose, Texas, and Key Bracho. Key Bracho is the inside interior color. I really love the color of this, but like I said, I'm really online. It doesn't show that it was so. This one's like more like a orangey pink. It's more. It doesn't show up in the pictures that it was I see in the person, and it's very thin. I will compare this one to my Epson, and it says made in France, and like I said, it's very thin guys. And this is a, yeah, this is chain purse. It's very bright because I'm looking for a bright color for my Chanel flip-flop, so I have a, you know, bright color. When I using that one, I will have a bright color, but I don't know. Oh, it doesn't. I should change this, and I don't know. What do you think, guys? It's really different, but it's bright. They have another one that I like as well, but I think I picked this one rather than the other one. I think it's like a caramel. It's like a brown, and the interior is rose shocking, like very bright pink. This one it's bright as well. So that is the other one. Let's put it back. And the next one is this box in here. So you can see the box is shoes. I wish. Actually, I'm looking for, I wanted I will open this one before I explain to you. So there it is. Let's open it. I wish to give me a shopping bag, same as my voices, but this time they don't give me a shopping bag. So hopefully, guys, that this size is fit on me, or else I cannot have this, because this is the smallest one I can find. I have a really small feet, so that's why I'm struggling to have a sizing. So it comes with this too. That's bag, which is really nice. There you go, guys. I will get this too. I got a guys, I'm teasing you. You can tell what it is. Okay, let me remove the plastic. This is called Aloha Sandal. Look at that. Oh my god, this sandal is actually bent. See that, guys? It's bent like that, and this is a rubber, and I don't know if this one, it's supposed to be like this, the lead, I mean, that's not leather, the rubber, it's like they have all, like, it's not really perfect. I don't know, maybe because it's rubber. As you can see, it's like that. Let me see the other one. I smell it. It smells. Doesn't smell rubber. See that what it looks like? I looked for this one on Instagram, and I don't see it was looking like this. But this is, like I said, this is the first time I seen, and it says in here, Herme Paris, and this is made in Italy. There you go, guys. It's really nice. I saw this one, my closet travels. She has this one. Actually, that's why I figured out this one, this Aloha, because it popped up on my Facebook, and I was checked on YouTube that people have this one, and this is the cheapest one they had at the moment on Hermes website, the sandal, because it's rubber, guys. It's so flimsy. It's really nice, and it's really thick as well, and I like the sole in here. I don't know if I need to put another insole to protect if ever I keep this one. I'm not even tried this thing on yet. And this one is size 35 Euro size, and this is size 2, I think, in the US. Okay, this is the moment that I'm gonna try it on this. Oh, surprised it fit me. Yeah, it does fit me. Let me try the other one. You guys want to see the mud shot? I didn't do my feet, clean my feet, but I will do it for you guys so you know what it looks like. It's like, oh my God, it's really cold. When I put this one on my feet, it's really cold. I don't know, it doesn't. Oh my God, I have really ugly feet. So it does really fit on me. It just feels so, I don't know, feels like, if it's because it's rubber, it feels like sticky, and it's because it's cold right now and it feels so cold. And I just, like I said, I just don't like that one mark all over to it. And let's see if this one has a, like a code, like a serial code. One. Okay, I don't see one, but I see this one over here. I don't know if it's, yeah, it's the same, and not never put into the mark to the leather, I mean leather rubber. Yeah, it's so cute. Look at that. And they have a other colors like a red, pink. I think it looks like red to me, but everybody said it was pink. It's like a dark pink and also a light blue color. Oh my God, so beautiful color. I picked the black because it's safe color and you can wear any colors that all your in your wardrobe. It's so cute, guys. I don't know why it's just bent like that. It's just so weird. Yeah, it's so cute. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm not sure with this card holder, guys. I probably gonna return this and exchange. It's very thin. It's maybe because it's a goat skin leather and it's very thin, and I don't know. I rather have, maybe I will exchange this with the other color, and I will pick the other one instead of this one. I probably prefer the Epson leather one, because this one, it's so thin. I'm not sure yet if I returned it. It's probably, yeah, but this one I will try it on first, and then we'll see what I feel, if I keep it or not. So there you go, guys. I hope you like this unboxing video, and if you like luxury, lifestyle, beauty reviews, and travel blog, don't forget to subscribe and comment below sections. What do you think of this Aloha sandal? And this is really cheaper than Oran. And this one, the Oran, is really nice because it has that edge Hermes, it's not logo, it's like a, yeah, it's a logo. It's like on this over here, but this one, it's different. They can tell you if it's from Hermes, unless everybody knows. It's like if you are collecting an Hermes, then you know this is from Hermes. And it's very, very thick, very thick rubber, and it's, like I said, it doesn't smell like a rubbery, plasticky smells, and it smells nice. Yeah, I love the sole in this one, and it's so cute. And I'm gonna make sure this guy, because I always receive and defect items from them, and I don't know if that one is defects. I probably is normal like that. I'm not sure, because if you have this one, please comment below if it's normal like this. So yeah, okay guys, I'm gonna try this on so you can see what it looks like on me. Bye for now. Thank you. So guys, this is what it looks like on me. What do you think? So there it is. It doesn't look like it's big, just right into it. I just don't like that feeling sticky. Well, it's not sticky. I don't know why would it's feel like that. That's the shoes looks like on me. Sorry for my foot, guys. I didn't clean yet. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching.